Now we're going to install WSL2, but the first thing that you need to make sure is that your computer is completely up to date. So go to Update and Security and make sure that everything is up to date. All right, so I can check. And it looks like there is an update, but it's just the antivirus, so it's not going to be a big deal. Yeah, so we're good to go. But here you need to make sure that you're completely up to date if you've never done this before. So we're going to Google install WSL2. Just go to the first thing that shows up here. Okay. And we need to go through the steps. So we're going to look in PowerShell or open up PowerShell. Okay. And we're just going to copy and paste. Okay, we need to run as administrator. So PowerShell, right click, run as administrator. Now we'll run this again. Okay, so that's run. Gonna let it go. Okay. Obviously you need to be running Windows 10 and you need to do the update, but that's what we'd already talked about here a second ago. So now we're going to run this. So notice that it says that your machine will require virtualization capabilities. There's the possibility that you need to actually go into your BIOS and make sure that you have the there's usually like a checkbox somewhere in there to enable virtualization. If you run into this issue, let me know and we'll talk through it. We'll figure it out. Okay, so we just ran this. Now we're going to run. Okay. Now we're going to set WSL as the default version, WSL2. Okay, and the reason why I got this as an error is because I have not yet restarted my computer, so I'm going to do that now. All right, so now I'm back. I've installed, or I've reset my computer, and now we're going to run this again. Okay. All right. Okay. So all right. So now we're good. Now we can install Ubuntu. Okay. Going to click on install. All right, sweet. Let's launch it. Okay, so we're going to create our Unix username, and I'm going to type in a password. Okay, and now we have Ubuntu running on our computer.